and I actually eat the same breakfast. And I know it sounds kind of crazy, but this is how I compost in an apartment setting where I don't have a composting bin and I don't want to keep a lot of rotting food inside my unit. I think being in an apartment and being aware of the fact that you have neighbors and you want to be sanitary, having a pile of rotting food scraps in my unit might not be the best decision. I'm one of those people who within moments of waking up, I have to drink a coffee. I only have one coffee a day, but it is crucial that it happens within minutes of me opening my eyes. So I use a Chemex coffee maker, and with a Chemex, you get these paper filters and then the coffee grinds sit in the filter. So I'm just gonna pour myself a coffee first. So I get my coffee, and then every morning I save my coffee grounds. So I just let them dry out. I leave them in the cone like this. I just let them dry out in a little bowl on my countertop. And then every few days I empty this into one of the pots, and it just adds a little bit of compost to my plants. And last year I started doing it, and this year I've been doing it, and my plants really like it. Maybe it just gives them a little extra energy. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's been pretty successful so far, so I continue to do that. And then the next thing is my morning banana. This is called the 7-Eleven breakfast, by the way, coffee and a banana. Bananas have lots of potassium and other nutrients, and plants love this. So I have my banana, and then I take my peel and I put it into a large jar, like that, and then I fill it up with water. It does look a little bit gross sitting on your countertop, but let me tell you, your plants are gonna love it. And I will let this sit for about 24 hours, and then I will use this for tomorrow's plant breakfast. Now let's go outside and feed the plants.